This is my first dish, so I'm gonna make something that will surprise you. Come on. We should take a 1000 ml of water and, uh, and there's chicken, mostly like pieces. Um, we already washed it, so it's okay. We gotta take 1.5 tablespoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon sugar. And 2 crushed shallots. Pasta. I guess. We're gonna stir it well until the water is so clean with those, with no salt and sugar, I guess. Oh, I'm spilling water outside already. You shouldn't do that, you know. Ah, fuck. Now we gotta take the chicken. It's already been washed. 1 chicken, 2 chicken, 3 chicken, 4 chicken, and chicken. Sorry. Okay. Now we gotta close it with a lid and refrigerate it for 6 hours. Well, now we're gonna go with the crust now. So we are taking like 250 grams of um, we call it maida here. I guess they call maida too there. Uh, there it is. And then we're gonna take 60 grams of corn flour. And then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 spoon, 2 spoon. And then 1 tablespoon of salt. One tablespoon of chili. And 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You can you can add onion powder too. Uh, and now 1 tablespoon of pepper. Oh, well. Now we gotta mix it well. Now spread it all over. Gotta stir it up well. It's actually smells so good, to be honest. Now we gotta wait for the chicken to, you know, refrigerate for 6 hours. Now we have refrigerated our chicken for 6 hours. We have to put them on these tissues so it looks like the water on it. And now we're gonna divide this into half. We're gonna divide this into half, and we're gonna take the half out of it from into this bowl. Now we have separated it. We have to 2x. And then 100 ml of water. Now we gotta stir it up well until it gets so wet, like in a semi-liquid form, I guess. Gotta add more water if it isn't wet. It should be like a liquid. No, not like bucket stuff like here. And it's a fucking stomach out there. I guess now it's totally fine now. It's kind of liquidy, I guess. Now we're gonna take our chicken and dip it into this thing first, and we're gonna coat it with this. To do the same with this as well. They gotta be totally covered in this this flour, the crust, like this, and now they are good to go. Now we gotta heat the oil. Now I have already heated it, so I have applied the coating to both. All the chicken in here, and now I'll just dip in, dip in the oil. I don't know what will happen right now. Ah! Oh my god, it's actually good. It's looking good though. I mean, look at the crust. At least it's not messed up, I guess. Ah! It's actually looking good though. At least I didn't mess it up. I don't know about the taste though. Maybe it'll suck, I guess. नहीं है बे. Now I'm gonna take that into this plate. Now it's well cooked, I guess. This is looking so good, but I don't know how it would taste though. Okay, now I have done it. I'm gonna taste it now. I don't know. Yeah, not bad at all. It's good. Oh my god, that's actually good. Oh my god, I'm a fucking chef. Oh my fucking god. The first one was made out to be look like tandoori, but it was the actual idea here. It was supposed to be like this, but now it's good. They're looking so good now. They're gonna taste so good. I mean, the first one tasted so good, and I guess this will too. I guess. Oh god, it's looking so good now. It's probably gonna taste good in my opinion. Ouch! It's kind of hot. This is so fabulous. Better than the previous one, to be honest. It's so good. Oh god.